In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use assignments to assign them to your students so that they can submit and you can grade their work. So to begin, you're going to want to make sure you're inside a class in Educate. From there, you're going to click the Manage Course tab. Now that we're in the course outline, as you can see, we're able to locate assignments within the course. As you can see, here is an example of an assignment. It's under the type of material. It's listed as an assignment, and you'll also notice the settings button next to that particular material. So to edit the different settings of that assignment, go ahead and click the settings button. Now we're able to adjust the settings for this particular material. So we can identify file types by either just listing the file types, or we can add some more specific instructions to our students here, as it is a text field. Then we can set the submission deadline. So this is going to be the date in which the assignment is due by. So we're going to go ahead and just select a date, and we can also select a time. From there, we can check whether the assignment is a hard deadline or if we want it to be an extended deadline. So maybe students are able to submit after that deadline has passed. We can select that. And finally, we can select the completion award associated with that assignment by a point value. In this case, we're just going to type in a number, and that will be how many points are associated with that assignment. Finally, you'll click the Save button to save the assignment for your students. Once you have set the settings for a particular assignment, it's considered an active assignment. So you can go ahead and click on the Assignments tab to view all of your active assignments throughout all of your classes. So as you can see, we have some different assignments with deadlines that have passed and pending deadlines. We can go ahead and click on View Submissions to view all the submitted and pending student submissions within the class. As you can see, we have one example here of a student that has submitted their work, and again, if you can see here, that is located under the Submissions tab. So here we have the student name, their attachment, whether it's a file or a link attachment, a little note that our student has left us about the assignment, and as a teacher, we're now able to add points associated with that and some feedback or remarks. As additional students add submissions, this list will grow, and it's really easy to simply add points or grades associated with that assignment all in one spot. Once, as a teacher, you're completed with adding points and feedback remarks, you can go ahead and click the Save button. As you can see, one assignment submission was saved. The student will receive a notification that their work has been graded, and they'll be able to see those points and remarks. Now, if we have students within the class that have not submitted their assignments, they'll be located in the Pending tab. So let's go ahead and click on that. So as we can see, we have one student here that has yet to submit their assignment. To send them a little nudge, a little reminder, we can simply select that student, add some reminder text, and click Send Reminder to remind the student to submit that given assignment. So from there, the student will receive a notification that their teacher has sent them a reminder about this assignment, and they'll be able to quickly access the assignment and submit it on time. So that's a quick overview of how assignments work in Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and videos to learn how to use particular activities, assignments, quizzes, and so much more as it relates to the Educate platform.